Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'll show you on how to set custom alarm on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone time. So I'm going to simply click on here, and it will take me right here. Alternatively, you can exit from here and go to your phone screen and make sure you look for clock on your phone screen. I'm going to look for clock. So click on clock right here. This is another way to have access to alarm on your phone. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on alarm from the bottom right here, and it take you right here. Now, for you to add a custom alarm, what you need to do is to simply click on the plus sign right here. Then at this point here, choose the hour, then choose the minute. So I want this to be 8, quarter after 8, then 8 a.m. Okay. Then the next thing we want to do here is to simply click on repeat right here. We click on once, and then we can choose Monday and Friday. Then this depends on how you want the alarm to appear. So Wednesday, I choose 3 days. So I click on done. So you can see right here, I have set Monday to Wednesday and Friday for the alarm. Next thing you can do here is to choose alarm sound. So click on here to choose your alarm sound. So you can choose any of the sound right here. Once you're satisfied, simply go back and the alarm has been fully added. You can also add a label. So a label simply means that what exactly main reason why you are setting up this alarm. So I'm going to set this one to special prayer. So it depends on you. Then I can simply add emoji and I click on done. So you can see right here. Then snooze. So snooze, I will just put it in 15 minutes snooze. Then I'll make sure I turn on vibrate while ringing. I make sure I turn this on, and everything has been set. Then I will make sure I turn on excluding public holiday. Then once I'm done, I will simply come to the top right here, click on OK. Click on this check mark here. Now we have the alarm right here. So every quarter after 8 a.m., this alarm is going to pump up on Monday, Wednesday, and at the same time Friday at these times of the day. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply set custom alarm on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.